Platonism explores a higher, perfect reality known as the forms. The core belief is the soul's journey towards unity with the divine. Middle Platonism blends Platonic and Stoic ideas, influencing Roman thought. Plotinus, a key figure in Neoplatonism, expanded Platonic philosophy. In Neoplatonism, Plotinus emphasized the divine reality, the One. Neoplatonism sees the soul as striving for unity with the One. This philosophy sees the material world as an imperfect reflection. The Roman twist on Neoplatonism aided early Christian theology. Neoplatonism was integral to late Roman spirituality and philosophical discourse. Plotinus' teachings stressed an intellectual and mystical pursuit of the divine. Platonism contributed to theological frameworks in early Christianity. Middle Platonism acted as a bridge to later philosophical developments. Roman Neoplatonism blended metaphysical insights with spirituality. These philosophical movements reflect the synthesis of Greek and Roman cultures. Neoplatonism's ideas permeated religious, ethical, and intellectual traditions. Plotinus' Enneads compile his philosophical vision, shaping Roman thought. Neoplatonism influenced scholars, theologians, and philosophers across centuries. Roman Platonism was pivotal in advancing philosophical ideas during the empire. The journey of the soul in Neoplatonism aligns with Christian redemption themes. Neoplatonism influenced art, literature, and cultural expression in Rome. Its emphasis on the transcendent shaped esoteric and mystic traditions. Platonism remained influential, merging philosophical and spiritual insights. Plotinus offered alternatives to Roman polytheism through philosophical dialogues. Roman thinkers adopted Neoplatonist ideas within their religious contexts. Roman Platonism crafted a narrative synthesizing ancient wisdom and belief systems. Neoplatonism's legacy includes examining the nature of reality and existence. Plotinus' philosophy emphasized personal mystical experiences of the divine. Platonism's eternal forms inspired artistic representation. Neoplatonism offered Roman spirituality a path to divine contemplation. The intellectual reach of Neoplatonism expanded through academic institutions. Platonism's impact endures in modern introspective philosophical traditions.